Well, we're back at our little roundabout where there's a changeover in the seasons. Our spring bulbs are just finishing. We've got a few alliums that are coming up in the middle, and we've just given our cordyline palms a bit of a trim, get the old leaves off. Some of the leaves were kind of bending down and getting in the way of the plants that we wanted to put in. And the plants that we're putting in here are cosmos, which is what we put in last year, and the whole of the roundabout was full of lovely cosmos. The only problem was last year they got a bit too tall. They were kind of a metre or more high, and they were blowing over in the wind. So this year we've gone for a smaller, more compact variety. And this variety here, there we go, a pack of them, apparently only get about 40, 45, maybe 50 centimetres high, so much more compact. We have got a few of the taller cosmos. Those are some that we've raised from seed up at the school, and I'm going to put those in the middle. So we're going to do a kind of a circle of compact ones around the edge of this circular bed, and then the taller ones in the middle. So we've been digging the soil here is not very good. Thank you. We picked the stones out of there. So there's another one. So we've broken open that soil there. I'm just going to get a bit of compost in the hole there, and then mix that in. There we are, a bit more compost in there. So they've got a pocket of nicely mixed composty soil there to get them started. And so we're just going to drop them into there, bring the soil back around like that. And sometimes slightly poorer soil can encourage some plants to flower. And these cosmos, or the larger brothers last year, did really well here. So I'm hoping that these compact ones will do equally well with a kind of eruption of the taller ones in the middle. Let's get them planted. Finishing touches, of course, is a bit of fertilizer. This is my favourite slow release fertilizer that's high in potash, so not so much about encouraging leaves, which is what cosmos are inclined to do. They can put on lots of leaf growth. We've got high potash here to encourage flowers rather than leaves, and done a kind of a goodly dollop around the base of the plant, and then a more general scattering, so that the individual plant gets a good boost. This, as well as having the slow release nutrients in here, it has an instant release as well. So just to get them going, let's get the old watering can in there and give that a nice little drink. This soil is already quite moist because we've had our wettest May on record here in Wales, but just to help them settle in and to release some of those nutrients, we'll just give those a little drink. And I guess we'll have to do a little update for you in the summer to see how these guys do. So that's how we plant our cosmos.